This magnificent lot is being presented by Palm Coast Development of Vero Beach. Build your dream home in Orchid Island among spectacular riverfront estates that have sold for over $10 million. Use your own builder or talk with Palm Coast Development about building it for you. This is the last riverfront lot in the esteemed Orchid Island Golf and Beach Club. This incredible piece of property is situated on over 1.3 acres with 159 feet of river frontage and a private dock in place with 3 boat slips extending 330 feet. The lot borders a beautiful 120-acre nature preserve, which means you will live with Mother Nature's landscaping on the north side of your property in perpetuity. You'll absolutely love the incredible views of the sun setting over the gorgeous Indian River from the privacy of your backyard. This lot is located in Orchid Island Golf and Beach Club, a private, gated residential golf course community featuring breathtaking luxury waterfront and golf course homes. Orchid Island is one of the most visually stunning and exclusive barrier island clubs in Florida. Other amenities include a private, pristine beach, a beautiful and relaxing poolside setting and jacuzzi, a full-service spa, and a state-of-the-art tennis and fitness center. There are also a variety of leisurely gatherings and club activities, so there is sure to be something for everyone. Orchid Island Golf and Beach Club absolutely exudes luxurious island living. Build your dream home here among spectacular riverfront estates that have sold for over $10 million. For more information, please call us at 772-794-9105 or visit our website at www.palmcoastorchidlot.com. Palm Coast Development of Vero Beach.